If you've been hitting chest day but still see nothing but a flat, lifeless chest staring back in the mirror, it's not your genetics. It's the way you're training. Because if you want that sculpted, chiseled chest that stands out even under a t-shirt, you need to stop letting your shoulders do the work and start letting your chest lead. Today, we'll fix those pancake pecs with precise training tweaks that ignite chest growth instantly. You'll learn how to use science, tension, and muscle activation to finally carve definition where you never thought possible. The goal isn't just to press heavy weights, it's to train smarter. Because when you understand how your pecs actually work, every rep becomes a sculpting tool. Most guys unknowingly let their front delts take over during the bench press. Their chest never fully engages, which is why it stays flat no matter how much they lift. Here's how to fix it instantly. First, slightly lift your head, just an inch or two, as you lower the dumbbells. This subtle change forces your chest to become the main driver instead of your shoulders. Second, speed matters. Explode the weights upward, control them slowly on the way down. Fast on the press, slow on the return. That's how you awaken those type 2 fibers hiding in your pecs. If you still can't feel your chest working, switch to the cable incline bench press. This movement pre-engages the pecs, isolating them before you even start pressing. The ultimate fix for weak chest activation. Next, let's build that lower chest line, the one that gives your body real depth. Perform 1.5 dips, staying in that deep stretch longer than feels comfortable. That tension is what reshapes your chest. Want that upper chest shelf that fills your shirts? The cable Y-pullover does exactly that. With cables, you maintain tension through the full range, sculpting that V-shaped chest line while protecting your shoulders. And to finish, the omni crossover. It's not just a cable fly, it's a 3-plane chest attack. High to low for lower pecs, low to high for upper pecs, straight across for the middle. 3 angles, 1 sculpted chest. Whether you're a beginner or a hard gainer, your flat chest isn't permanent. Every rep from today forward can reshape your frame, if you train with purpose, precision, and patience. Because confidence isn't built by luck, it's carved, 1 powerful rep at a time. Now get to work, your best chest is waiting. If this helped you, hit subscribe and check out our next video. Eat this before bed to burn fat while you sleep. Because building muscle is only half the story, recovery builds the rest.